Dr. Prachi Sathe and Dr. Mansi has nicely elaborated what is diversity, equity, and inclusion. So I'm not going to in detail. I have to just balance the view. So again, going back for a one short slides of diversity, equity, and inclusion is a term used to describe policies and programs that promote the representation and participation of the different group of individuals. DEI encompasses the people of different ages, races, ethnicities, not only the gender, its abilities, disabilities, genders, religion, culture, and sexual orientation. It also covers the people with diverse background, experience, skill, and expertise. Now, just read this report. In this report, the new UN report launched on Monday, 12th June, revealed no improvement in the level of prejudice against women over the past decade, with almost 10 out of 10 men and women worldwide still holding such bias. So in this report, half of the people worldwide still believe men make better political leaders than women, and more than 40% believe men make better business executives than women. So will you believe on this news? So I will take this news in a different way. Like 60% male believes that females are better. So just don't go by the news. These slides I have particularly take about the social media and social awareness. So whatever is going into our brain, it recollects and recycle. So if I read the news, 40% male, 40% males believe men make better business executives than women, but 60% male believes that females are better executives. So we have to take this news in a positive way. So inspirational women in India, everyone has these slides. So who is the role model for this female? They grow on their own, their husband, their family, their supports. So they make the choice. So these are the role models. But who are the role model for this woman? So woman has to come from within. Everything she has giving the opportunity, whatever she is, the environment within, she has to fight for it. So what is the time, dedication, and academics? In this both of the presentations, we have seen 40 years before era, and now Mansi has presented it 20 years upcoming. So the scenario in India is also changing. So whatever I feel is that females should be judged by her work, knowledge, skills, and academic work, not because she's female or she's not a male and this kind of things. Organization should promote females for leadership programs, but academic positions she has to earn by her own knowledge. Now, Mansi and Madam also has talked about something about the quota system. What I feel about the quota system is better education of women help to push the total fertility rate down in India. So many times a female faced don't get pregnant on us in her career, in her surrounding environments, in many institutions. There is a quote on the social media that the male colleagues are not supportive, some are supportive, some are not supportive, and you come for a quota system. What Mansi mentioned about the 20% of the gap, why she didn't go up the career, so she has to fight for it. And why India is having the quota system is for female education. Like Savitri Bai Phule has that female education system. So better education will bring down the total fertility rate down in India. So in India, female basic education is free, and in many fields there is a quota system that is to promote her for education. In her field, if at higher education, if she get through a quota system, she should practice in future. Otherwise, for a deserving male candidate, it's a loss of the society. So that 20% gap, female only can fight for that thing. So for my take home few points, female were born to be for motherhood in previous era. Now slowly she is leading the world. She can't deny her motherhood, otherwise society will not be balanced. So she has to balance her work and life. So already there are many hurdles in her path, but by supporting her by a male or female colleague, her hurdles will come down to some extent. Thank you.